Hello everyone, welcome back. We would like to write a program that creates a tuple of 6 numbers. Then ask the user to input a number and check if that number is in the tuple or not. And then print an appropriate message. Here is my tuple called numbers underscore tuple. It has 6 elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Then I'm trying to ask the user to enter a number. I do it using the input function, and then because by default it is a string, I'm using the int to convert the input of the user into an integer. Then it is assigned to user input variable here. Okay. Then I check to see if this user input is having one number that is inside this tuple or not. To do that, I type down if conditions if user input variable in numbers underscore tuple. So the user input is the input of the user, and numbers tuple is the name of my tuple. So I would like to check if the element that is entered by the user is indeed one of the elements of this tuple or not. Is it inside that tuple or not? So if so, just show the message that the user input is in the tuple, else show the message that it's not in the tuple. So when I run the code, it says enter a number in this line. So I type down 15. It says 15 is not in the tuple. So here I'm entering 15. It want to check 15. Is it inside this tuple? No, it's not there. It's not going to execute this line. It is going to jump to the else, and it is going to print the user input variable, which is 15, and then show the message is not in the tuple, because indeed 15 is not one of the elements of the tuple. But if I type down 20, for example, it says 20 is in the tuple. So it is going to say 20 is inside the tuple, and it is going to iterate over all the elements of this tuple. Okay, 20 is one of the elements. Okay, so this condition is true, therefore it is going to enter this if condition, and it is going to execute this line, and this line basically prints the user input, which is 20 in this case, and show the message is in the tuple, which is here. Thank you for watching.